There was a religious man who had learned the art of training parrots. He would catch parrots with his charm, teach them manners, and then sell them to noblemen at a high price. So, one day the man came to the court of Akbar and offered him a parrot. Akbar ordered a servant to look after the parrot very carefully and never give him a news of any bad happenings with the parrot. But due to the change of environment, the parrot fell sick and dead. The poor servant got scared and thought that Akbar would punish him. Now, as the parrot was very close to the emperor, he immediately went to Birbal, seeking his help. Birbal then took it upon himself to deliver the news to the Akbar. He told Akbar that his parrot has become a sant who just looks up, neither eats nor moves. Then Akbar immediately visits the parrot and discovers that it has died. He understood Birbal's smartness and his mistake in the end. Thank you. Friends, if you like this story, please like and share the video and subscribe to my channel.